When it comes to keeping your vehicle's interior spotless, finding the best car cleaning gel can make all the difference. In this video, we'll review the top 3 best car cleaning gels, comparing their durability, design, and compatibility with different vehicles. By the end, you'll know exactly which best car cleaning gel is best for your needs. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Number 1. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. Perfect Car Cleaning Putty Magnolia Flower Aroma Cleaning Gel Putty is perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your auto. Carpet is super great to get into the gaps and little crevices on the car to pick up the dust, debris, crumbs, and pet hair. Easy-to-use car goo is ideal for cleaning gaps and cavities. Push clean tools into any little cracks, and the crud sticks and pulls back out. You can also press the detail putty on the keyboard surface and then pull out the car gel slowly, and the dust would be carried away. Car goop is suitable for all devices and surfaces, except carpets. A reusable gel for cleaning could be used several times, and the color of the auto detail turns dark. After use, just put the universal cleaning gel back in the jar and keep it in a cool place. Beyond the car, this versatile gel can be used on keyboards, remotes, and other electronics. Just ensure the surface is water resistant. As a thoughtful and fun stocking stuffer, it makes a perfect gift for men and women alike. PULIDIKI offers a fresh, effective way to keep your car and gadgets spotless. Number 2. TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel. The TICARVE Car Cleaning Gel is a smart and effective tool for tackling dust, crumbs, and pet hair in those hard-to-reach places inside your car. Designed like a flexible slime, this cleaning gel easily molds into vents, crevices, and cup holders, lifting out dirt and debris with minimal effort. Simply press the gel into the desired area and pull it back. Grime sticks to the gel, leaving your surfaces clean. Made from high-tech materials, the rose-colored gel has a pleasant cherry blossom scent and doesn't leave any sticky residue on your hands or surfaces. It's also reusable until the color darkens, making it both economical and eco-friendly. Just return it to its jar and store it in a cool place after use. Beyond your car, it's perfect for cleaning keyboards, remotes, phones, and other electronics. Just make sure the surface is dry. The TICARVE gel is an essential addition to any car or home cleaning kit. Number 3. COLORCORAL Universal Cleaning Gel. The COLORCORAL Universal Cleaning Gel is a practical and easy-to-use solution for cleaning hard-to-reach areas on various surfaces. Whether you're tackling dust and debris in your car vents, laptop keyboard, camera buttons, or household appliances, this versatile cleaning gel makes the job simple. Made from natural ingredients, the gel has a pleasant lemon fragrance and is gentle on skin, non-sticky to hands and free from harsh chemicals. To use, simply take a small piece, knead it into a ball, press it gently into the desired surface, and pull it out to lift away dust and crumbs. The gel is reusable until it darkens or becomes sticky, offering great value for multiple cleanings. Just store it in a cool, dry place between uses, avoid water. Each pack includes 2 jars of cleaning gel, making it a convenient addition to any cleaning toolkit. COLORCORAL delivers both functionality and freshness in this tidy little cleaning essential. Thanks for watching the video.